Welcome to the United States Navy Memorial Stories of Service and Tales from the Navy Log Series. My name is Charlie Atkins, a United States Navy veteran, and I'm the historian for the USS Hector Association and presenter for the U.S. Navy Memorial. This story I'm about to introduce you is about storekeeper chief Romeo Cruz. Romy, as he likes to be called, is from the Philippines. He served in the United States Navy, rising to the rank of chief. And he comes from humble beginnings and has had a wonderful career, an adventurous career. Romy spends time doing video work for the USS Hector Association, among other volunteer services he's involved in. This is his story. Thank you for watching. I now invite you to read more about SKC Romeo Cruz within Stories of Service and Tales from the Navy Log, presented by the United States Navy Memorial and the USS Hector Association.